this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 7000. It's ran from the 10th 2012 to the 7th 2021. It has a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full smart LED steering wheel, instrument cluster,